Alright, we're good. We're good.
So what's up?
Alright, so we're gonna get a little bit of work done on my car today. As I'm not sure if you could tell, but my car is like squeaking really bad. My brakes are literally gone. So we're actually gonna be working on those today. Potentially we might even do the fog lights as well. I don't know yet. It's completely up to everybody here if we have enough time. But David's actually having fun driving my car right now. We're about to have a lot of fun. What do you have to say, Jesus?
Nothing.
Yeah, I'm kind of sorry.
Huh?
Yeah, it has padding, so you won't really mess with the door.
Oh, it has padding? Yeah.
Don't do slam.
Alright, boys. We're actually going to be installing these today.
Wait. Again.
We're going to be installing these right here. What do you mean?
Hey there, guys.
I'm not sure if I'm impressed with these, in all honesty. I'm not sure if I like them or not. What do you say? What do you say?
They look thin.
Huh?
They look thin.
As fuck.
No, these are the rears.
They still look
Still.
thin.
They look thin? Alright, what we're trying to do right now is we're trying to put the rear ones in.
It's already in.
Well, the brake pads are still not in yet.
True.
But these gloves are too big on me, and like the brake cleaner's like literally. Well, if you want to step with me this way, I'll actually show you a problem. There's the bolts that go in here. I'm not sure if you can see, but with a little bit of light.
I'll
in there.
shine the light. I want to be a help.
With a little bit of light in there, you can actually see that the bolt that was in there, it lost its thread. And
Showing the bolt.
It happened to both sides.
Yeah, and it happens to both sides.
I mean, not both sides of this. Like,
so all I have to say is for the previous owner.
Actually, here, there's only one bolt that lost the thread, and the other side, both of them.
Both of them? Damn, so
Both
I have.
of them?
So there's 3 bolts that lost their thread. And I'm not sure what the other.
The other side?
Yeah, both on the other side. But it's something like this, and the thread is completely fucking gone.
Okay, no, wait.
Where is it at? I don't know where it's at. It's here somewhere.
Okay.
There we go. Look at that. Look at that.
This is how it's supposed to be.
This is how it's supposed to be, and this
No,
is.
it's not focusing.
Oh shit.
You're playing with it. Okay, hold on. There you go.
There we go. As you can see, one of them is completely fucked up.
Yeah.
Which is this one right here. But all I have to say is fuck the previous owner. I'm doing the shit that he should have done a long ass time ago. Well, David is doing the shit that he actually should have done a long ass time ago.
Wait, can we show him our new project?
What new project?
Ta-da!
These are actually the old brake pads. As you can see, these are completely worn out. You can actually feel where it was actually starting to hit the rotor and start making a lot of noise. It's actually not. It still has plenty of life left.
Mine were worse. Like, mine was the actual, like, the metal piece.
Yeah, mine were too.
Yeah, I mean, these still have plenty of
Why
life.
do I have
yet.
cum on my face?
Look, I cut myself.
I have cum on my head.
Then you just touched me.
Ow!
Right.
Wow. I'm gonna tell you guys a scary story. Can you put scary? Last time I said put sad music, you know. Orca, look at your jacket.
Okay, that one was not me.
That was probably me. But last time I said put sad music, you never put sad music.
Okay, sorry.
Put scary music.
Okay.
Heck, fuck you.
So, we're pretty much done, boys and girls. We officially have new brake pads and rotors, and I'm kind of happy. I'm really happy. It was, I've done it without these boys. Massive shout out to David Papi Gonzalez and Jesus Junior Espinosa. Thanks for tuning in.
What you mean?
Isn't it the end of the video?
No, yeah, that's from.
Oh, okay. Well, let's go ahead and give a little walk around if you want to do a little cinematic on the work that we've done so far. Look at that.
They look fake.
They look fake.
Yeah, they look like those covers that you.
They're zinc plated freaking. Bro, what are you talking about?
They look like those brakes that you put on the cars and the video game, the Mina Cup game. Okay.
Boy.
So what's next? Exhaust.
Yep.
Why?
Unfortunately, I'll have to do the exhaust because we were actually looking underneath the car and like all of the bolts are like rusted. They're so rusted that like they're not even bolts.
Like whenever I grab one, they just like
yeah, like they chip off. Like it's freaking ridiculous. We'll have to do some exhaust work next. That'll actually follow up. But for now, since I'm a broke ass nigga, what? A la verga!
Oh, hey, welcome. Welcome to the video. Hey, have you shown my new project car?
Wait, is this the video?
Yeah. Oh, I didn't know either. Yeah. Oh well. Yeah, we got the RL done.
Yeah, you were inside the car hotboxing the whole time.
No, we weren't. David and Jesus haven't done shit.
Yeah.
But me and Marcus decided to take a little nap because we're tired.
Yeah.
This shit was.
Because we actually worked on this car.
Wait, what the hell? What?
Yeah.
I
That
thought you
nigga was
left.
asleep.
Yeah, he was asleep.
I thought you left.
The
Hey.
fuck?
Butterfly dose. Space coupe look like a UFO. Whoa. Smoking on dope. Damn. They call me out cause my eye real low. Pulling up foes. Whoa. Baby mama whip a pot on the stove. Whip it. Ain't no joke. No. You the type nigga go cry to a hoe. Butterfly dose. Space coupe look like a UFO.
I don't know where the bolt is.
Smoking on dope.
The previous
Damn. They call me
owner.
out cause my eye real low.
I'm doing the shit that he should have done a long ass time ago. Well, David's doing this.
Ain't no joke. You the type nigga go cry to a hoe. If I go broke, I'ma kick those. I'ma go back to the niggas to the city go. I can't go. No, in a flight if I ain't got my pole. Smoking like gas with a border patrol. I ran out of drink, so I cancel my show. Whoa, I piss on these racks on the floor. Oh, I got a Glock in my drench.
But these gloves are too big on me and like the brakes. It's like literally, it's like getting in my skin.
Goddamn. 2 Lamborghinis with the butterfly doors. I feel like the old Gucci. Bitch, I'm burnt and I'm froze. I'm burnt, yeah. Butterfly doors. Space coupe look like a UFO. Whoa. Smoking on dope. Damn. They call me out cause my eye real low. Pulling up foes. Whoa. Baby mama whip a pot on the stove. Whip it. Ain't no joke. No. You the type nigga go cry to a hoe.